Now, in a fresh bid to end the deadlock between protesting farmers as well as the government, the centre there over new farm laws, Union Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar is holding meetings to convince the farmers. While addressing a Kisan Chaupal in MP's Gwalior, Tomar said that farmers are being misled about the new laws, which are now only going to be benefiting the agricultural sector. He further added that leftist elements are misusing farmers' agitation. Meanwhile, Cabinet has approved 3,500 crores subsidy on sugarcane exports. While making the announcement there, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has said that this move would benefit 5 crore farmers and 5 lakh labourers. Here, remember, the government has started a massive outreach, farmer outreach, where they're trying to push for farmers to understand the new farm laws. Time and again that they've been speaking about the benefits to the agricultural sector. Here again, Union Minister, Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar now is holding meetings to convince the farmers directly. While addressing the Kisan Chaupal, he reiterated that farmers are only being misled and there are huge benefits with the new farm laws.
दुर्भाग्य के साथ मुझे कहना पड़ रहा है कि जब मीडिया के माध्यम से ये सारी बातें सामने आई कि वहां पर वामपंथी लोग मिलकर इस आंदोलन को दुरुपयोग करके किसानों के कंधे पर बंदूक रखकर चलाना चाहते हैं और वो मोदी सरकार को झुकाने का एक असफल प्रयत्न करने का सपना देख रहे हैं। लेकिन मैं इस अवसर पर ऐसे तमाम सारे तत्वों से कहना चाहता हूं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी का नेतृत्व, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ये किसानों के सामने 24 घंटे सर झुकाकर चर्चा करने को तैयार है। लेकिन कोई भी अगर गलत इरादे से नरेंद्र मोदी की छवि को धूमिल करेगा तो यह सरकार जवाब देने को भी तैयार है। यह सुनने के लिए भी लोगों को अपना मानस बना के रखना चाहिए। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य के साथ कहना पड़ता है, देश का एक क्षेत्र, पंजाब का सूबा, जहां कुछ लोगों ने किसानों के भीतर गलतफहमियां क्रिएट कर दी हैं और किसान आंदोलन के लिए आ खड़े हुए। भारत सरकार किसान के प्रति संवेदनशील है। भारत सरकार किसान का सम्मान करती है। भारत सरकार किसान के जीवन में समृद्धि लाना चाहती है और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री गांव और गरीब किसान के प्रति पूरी तरह प्रतिबद्ध और समर्पित हैं।
सरकार ने इस साल 60 लाख टन चीनी निर्यात करने का निर्णय किया है, निर्यात को सब्सिडी देने का निर्णय किया है। ये सब्सिडी सीधे किसान के खाते में जाएगी, ये उसकी विशेषता है। 3500 करोड़ रुपए इस काम के लिए लगेंगे। लेकिन किसान के लिए खुशखबरी वो है कि जो प्रत्यक्ष निर्यात होगा, वो निर्यात का जो मूल्य मिलेगा वो भी किसान के खाते में जाएगा। वो लगभग 18,000 करोड़ रुपए मिलेगा और ये सब्सिडी किसानों को राहत देगी। 5 करोड़ किसान और उनके परिवार जन उससे बेनिफिट होंगे।
Let's quickly cut across to Abhishek Anand joining us live for more details. Abhishek, 3,500 crores is subsidy to the sugarcane sector, which will eventually benefit 5 crore farmers. This comes at a time, a push by the government when farmers at large are protesting even now at the border areas. Has this really motivated the farmers to understand that these laws could be for the benefit? The government is trying to extend an olive branch in one way or the other.
Well, Nabila, this is not the first time the government has approached farmers with these words. And yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also tried to convince farmers. And these are the same words which has been repeated by the Agriculture Minister, that somebody else is trying to mislead the farmers. As far as the 3,500 crore subsidy for sugarcane farmers is concerned, the farmers are welcoming government's decision about the subsidy on the export of sugarcane. But at the same time, they are adamant. They are saying that this all the three farm bills shall be repealed, and this is their final demand. Whatever the government wants to do for betterment of farmer, they are most welcome, but these bills shall be repealed. Right now there is a meeting going on of farmer union leaders inside the protest site, and after a while they will hold a press conference and they will tell us about what they are thinking, how they are going to respond to all the efforts of the government to reach out to the farmers. Nabila.
Thank you very much. But do stay with us. We have a lot more coming in on the farmers' protest. In fact,
hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.